Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel for another unboxing video. Today we are ripping 2023 Panini UFC Select Blaster Box. This will be my second 2023 UFC Select Blaster. First box was somewhat disappointing, didn't pull anything exciting. Last year I also opened two UFC Select Blasters. Didn't pull anything crazy, but at least I pulled Orange Flash, Ian Gary Rookie, and a Tricolor Shafkat Rookie. First box didn't have anything even close to this level, so let's see if we can do better with the second box. Even though I didn't pull anything exciting, but the product is still has pretty high potential with autos, low number cards, and case hits. It's just my luck that I haven't been able to pull any of them. If I can get at least one number card from this, I would be happy. So let's get started and see what we get. Starting off with a former champion, Adesanya, current champion Volkanovski, Matt Frola, and a Max Griffin Prism. It's a little hard to see, but it is a prism. Then second pack we have former champion Amanda Nunes, a nice rookie Mokaev. Then got a John Jones Octagon Sai. Then got a Orange Flash Magomed Ankalaev. So far, not looking so good. But I did have pretty good luck with the hobby box and the cracked ice packs from this year's UFC Select, so can't really complain too much. Drew Dauber, Mario Bautista, Justin Gaethje, and a silver Kamaru Usman. Second half of the box, let's see if it will get better. I certainly can get worse than so far. Martin Boudet, rookie, Joe Pyfer, rookie, Ian Gary, Anthony Smith, Prism. Have Verna, rookie, Shevchenko. Then we got this mezzanine level Movsar Evloev. I think this is my first base mezzanine. I didn't pull any mezzanine level in the first box. Then finishing out with a Mark Coleman Orange Flash. Last pack, see if there's any last pack magic, but looks like I probably used up all my luck from the hobby box and my cracked ice packs. We'll see if H2 will go on sale at some point. Maybe I'll try H2 as well, but otherwise maybe this is my last select pack. Starting off with Juliana Pena, Candy Azumat rookie, and then finishing off with a Korean zombie flash prism. Overall, it's pretty disappointing with both boxes. Didn't even pull anything as good as the last year's rookies. So, well, can't win all. Pull a Zebra from the hobby box and 1/1 Physia from the Cracked Ice packs from Select. So can't expect to continue my luck with the blaster box, but oh well, hopefully we'll do better next time. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you at the next one. Bye.